Welcome back everybody to another video of mine. Today we're doing a rear differential fluid swap on this 2016 Nissan Titan XD. You're going to need 3 quarts of 75/90. I'm using the Severe Gear AMSOIL. Step 1, locate the rear differential, which is this guy. On the bottom of the differential, there's a plug. All you're going to do is put the head of the ratchet into the plug. Put your drain pan right here, obviously. You put the ratchet in here, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, and take out the plug and let it drain into your drain pan. On the rear cover you have a plug as well. This is your fill plug. You're going to use this to pump in the new fluid. So you're going to take this out with the same tool you took the bottom drain plug out. Once it's draining, you're just going to wait for it to totally stop dripping. So go eat some lunch or something, go to the bathroom, just wait for it to stop dripping. Then we're going to put the drain plug back in and torque it down. Don't forget to clean off the magnet on the drain plug. There's a bunch of metal shavings, dust, whatever you want to call it, on the magnet. Make sure it's cleaned off before you put it back in. Now my drain plug is in. I'm going to take the fluid, and you can either use a pump, or if you're using bags, you just sort of squish it in. If you're using a normal quart, there's pumpers, multiple different kind of pumpers you can use to pump it from the quart bottle into the diff cover. You're going to need a drain pan, and then as soon as the fluid starts coming back out, the new fluid starts coming back out of the cover, stop pumping and let it fully stop dripping out of the drain, out of the fill plug, I should say. And then we can put the plug in. Hopefully this video helped you out, saves you some money. No reason to go to the dealer for any of this stuff. So, hope you enjoyed. Till next time, wrench on.